is up, guys? So, a couple things. One, I haven't been on in a while. I'm a little bit sick right now. We just changed my work schedule. And I've just had a lot of drama going on in my life, but family's doing good. I'm doing good. Just a little bit sick now. So I'm at Walgreens to pick up some floss because I have a little project I wanted to accomplish today. I bought some new badges, the 392 and the Hemi badges. The factory ones are red and black, and then, or I'm sorry, the 392 badge is red, and then the Hemi badge is black with gold trim. And I just don't like the gold trim. I'm not a fan, or not gold, but chrome. I'm not a fan of chrome trim. So I went ahead and I ordered black trim with green, and then an all gloss black 392 badge. I'm just outside the base entrance. There's a car wash on the base, so what I'm going to do while I'm there at the car wash, I'm just going to take off the badge with the floss. I just bought that waxed floss. I've got some glue gun and I've got some shop rags, and I'm going to be taking off the badges at the car wash. I'm going to wash the car completely because it hasn't been washed in a while and it's been raining. And then before I wax it and do anything with clear coat protectant, I'm going to put on these new badges. So stay tuned. Set up. Of course, Alright guys, we're here. Let's take these badges off. Let's do it. Alright guys, so before I even started to take anything off, I wanted to deposit the cash that I have and try to get some coins for the car wash, but there's a weird noise coming from the office, and I think the machines or the hydraulics are out. And these coin things aren't working. The lights aren't on. Doesn't say they're out of order, but they're not taking the cash, so I'm wondering if the whole place is down. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything off now, but I'm going to go to a different car wash and wash it afterwards. So these are the new decals I got. Here's the new, it's sublime green with black trim and gloss black 392. So the trick to this is to not rush. You try to rush it and you try to pull it off quickly, you're going to start breaking stuff. So I'm going to try to do one number at a time. Seems like doing the whole thing is difficult, so one number at a time. Numbers are pretty solid. When I took off the charger emblems, they were really flimsy, cheap plastic. These actually feel like metal. They're nice and solid. They're not. I don't know if you guys can hear that noise, but it sounds like the pump is going out. Alright, so I got the 392 badges off. 239. Got the 392 badges off. I didn't get all these off in one pull, but since it is thicker, you can pull off what you can with just your fingers. And then whatever you can't get off, that's what the glue gun is for, which I'll pull out in a second. The glue gun takes away adhesive without messing up your paint. It's a great cleaner, great grease remover. So it seems like that's all I'm going to get off with my hand. Pretty thick, so go ahead and get out that glue gun. So I just bought these. I got more shop towels and then glue gun. I'm not sponsored in any way by any of these items, but they're just really good items. I've used them for a lot, so take the rag or paper towel. I have lint-free cloths as well, but I wanted to use these shop rags first. These take your rag or your towel or whatever you're using. Oh, it's already got a pinhole in it, and you just drench it. The more you use, the easier things will come off. And then just kind of rub it in until the adhesive gets soaked. And then eventually it'll start coming off. So it's not a quick process. It's definitely tedious, but it's safe. So.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I got the first side of emblems off. So I gotta work on this side over here. Got a little bit distracted, so it took me longer than usual. So I got this one to do. Same method though, use the floss to pull the emblems off and use the glue gun and some sort of soft lint-free rag or something with the glue gun and let it soak for a couple minutes. Yeah, I got distracted. My family showed up, so. But yeah, so it's off. Still rough, it's not all the way off. I'm gonna wash the car and then go at it again and then wash it one more time. That way I can get all the debris off. Then that makes sure I get a proper seal when I put the new stuff on. So, yeah, that's it. Bless you. That one came off. Got some of the adhesive. This one came off a lot better than the other side, so it should be a lot easier to clean. But yeah, little plastic badge. This one doesn't feel as sturdy as the 392 badges do, but it's still good quality. Hard to do. The first one didn't come out that easy, and I'm wondering, since I put the glue gun on, if it helps loosen up the. She felt the need to do that. Oh, they're coming after you! Alright. So anyways, I put some glue gun on before I started taking them off. I'm wondering if that's making it looser. Because it's coming off a lot easier than the other side did. So it's already off. So yeah, so emblems are off. Use your rag, your lint-free cloth with some glue gun, let it soak on there for a little bit, and they should fall right off. The adhesive should. So I'm gonna take my blue rag, fold it as small as I can. I'm going to douse it. So it's nice and soaking wet. I'm just gonna sit it there. Let it soak. Go. Taking off the badges. I'm holding this on a tripod, so sorry if it's a little rickety. Took out the badges and I washed it I didn't put any conditioner on it or spot-free rinse or anything. I just did the hot water pre-soak, the soap, and I washed it with my own mitt because I don't like the brush to scratch the crap out of the paint. And then I just did the rinse, just the regular high pressure rinse. So I'm gonna drive it home, finish drying it off, and then put the decals on and wax it. So, do a nice startup in the back though. Be sure to check me out on Instagram, TaintedHemi. Hopefully we'll be doing a build soon. I don't know, we'll see. I might be getting promoted in 2 weeks, so there's a lot that's up in the air, but oh, before I forget. So I've just recently gotten asked by a local, I guess they're a sponsor. I got 2 different ones. They are both car apparel companies. It's big apparel companies that deal with the car enthusiasts. Go check them out. The first one is at Devotees Official. There's their name. So on Instagram it's at Devotees Official. They got a website. If you use my code, which is my Instagram name, TaintedHemi, and you get 15% off their stuff. Go check it out. They got some decals, some cool shirts, sweaters, stuff like that. And it seems like they're doing seasonal stuff as well. So make sure you go check their stuff out. Like I said, use my code TaintedHemi with the underscore in between, Tainted and Hemi. You get 15% off. Also, the other one, shout out to Gentlemen's Driving Club. They hit me up a couple weeks ago, asked if they could use me as an ambassador and or sponsor. I said, of course, I'm not gonna turn it down. Any publicity is good publicity at this point. They are Gentlemen's Driving Club, and I'll put a tag in the description below. Also check out their Instagram and their online store. And just like Devotees, use my TaintedHemi code and you get 15% off. So go check them out. They also got cool apparel, and they've got like little knickknacks, like I think they got a bottle opener and some keychain stuff. So go check them out. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let's get this bad boy home, dry it off, and I'll put those new badges on. Peace. Both my wife and I should be out here during your meet this time. So yeah, I'm not working that weekend, and I gotta clean her 1500 still. Alright guys, so I had to make a pit stop. I am at Detail Garage out here in Charleston. It's right across the Thank You Pump Park for Burger King. And I got lucky to see that they have the other car there. This is on his girlfriend's car. Started Cat Pack in here, Destroyer Gray. We got my baby, Old Nipple. And this showed up. All the minutes came, and all include the tag handle. Beautiful Viper. Front carbon hood. Big Longhorn 2500 Ram. So we're supposed to be having a rides and coffee on the last weekend of the month, 24 November. You guys should show up. I'll include their tag as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me and go from there. There it is. Detail Garage. Alright guys, so little update. It's been about 2 hours since the last video. I went ahead and I put the new badges on there. So it's got the black 392 and the green Hemi badge. And then I ended up waxing the car and cleaning it right afterwards. And the second I finished waxing it, it started pouring. So I'm not sure if the car's gonna still look clean, but I'm gonna come and show you what the badges look like now. Everything waxed. I hope you guys like the little insert I had with Detail Garage and the crew over at the store that I went to. Great people, great products from Chemical Guys. So I don't know if there's a big Chemical Guys following or if you guys are into Adams polishes, but I personally love Chemical Guys. So here's the final product right here. So it's got 392 Hemi, Sublime Green. I plan on getting caliper paint to match and do the black Brembro decal. This actually looks really good. I gotta get that stuff off. I'll show you the other side real quick too. So that's the final product. So it came out good. There's a little spot right here. There's a little bit of adhesive which I gotta buff out later, but again, it started raining as soon as I finished up. So what do you think? I think it looks amazing. I think it's time to make this thing a little bit more customized and make it my own. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and see you guys next time. Peace.
I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you.